I studied in Switzerland, hotel and restaurant management, and then I, more or less by accident, ended up in London. And I worked for a contract caterer, and after a year and a half, I think, I decided if I was staying in the industry, I wanted my own thing. So then I set up my little catering company.
What's the English response to Danish food, Scandinavian food?
In general, I think they find it very healthy, very light, very fresh. I think because the climates are quite similar, it's fairly easy for us to use sustainable. So we stay in tune with the seasons, we use, local meats, vegetables and fish.
So here Matt said just ordered a starter, and the first thing that strikes you is the beauty of the food. The second dish, which we've chosen, is called Steinskud in Danish. I'm sure I pronounced that wrong, but it translates as shooting star. And I'm not really sure what it is, so I'm going to just go for it. Immediately tastes very Scandinavian with the dill, kind of creamy hollandaise-like sauce, shrimp, fish egg. Very good.
Did you cure all the fish here yourself?
We cure some of the herring ourselves, the gravlax we cure ourselves.
Really?
We do almost everything in house, yeah. It's healthy, there's a lot of whole grain and fish and vegetables in that diet. And then I guess in general you just need new trends now and then, to try something different.